Hello guys, so today I'm continuing my tutorial series on Scratch Basics. So today we are going to be doing the looks. Looks. We did motion blocks. So now looks block. So let's start. Okay, so these four blocks are actually pretty similar. You actually don't have to do anything, just say anything for any amount of seconds. Like it's gonna say 1 2 and it's gonna stop. This is different. This is just gonna say it forever. There's no time duration for it. Obviously, if you stop it, it's gonna disappear. Now think is also similar, but it's gonna have a different animation. Like then yeah. So yeah, those four blocks are pretty similar, but yeah, the looks block section is the easiest section, I would say, to understand. I will be teaching these two another day. That's just uh, actually you won't be using these blocks like half of the time. So yeah, switch costume to block is used to switch between not random costumes, but the costumes inside the sprite. So now it's gonna set the costume to that, and if we can set it back to costume 1. So what next costume does is that it's not gonna switch costume to a specified one. It's just gonna say the next costume. So the next costume. So now it's B. Now it's A. It's gonna set the next costume. That's the purpose. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. That's it. Change size by set size. Change size is gonna change the size by any amount. If we had minus an amount, then it's gonna decrease it. Set size we can say at any size, 160%. You can say any size. There's a limit in Scratch. Actually, for sizes, actually I will be teaching you a trick to how to overcome that challenge. Many scratchers use that trick, so I will be teaching you that trick in a later episode. Now these three blocks are effect blocks. Actually, effect blocks, yes. So here change color effect by 21. Actually, there's many more effects. Color effect, fisheye effect, whirl effect, pixel effect, mosaic, I don't know, brightness effect, ghost effect. You mostly won't be using this mosaic effect. Well, let's try the mosaic. Oh, it's gonna double? I didn't know that. So you can change the effects. So change effects by minus 25. If you change it by minus 25, it's gonna reduce. Obviously, yeah. So it's gonna set to a different color. So I'm gonna use the ghost effect. Ghost effect means that it's gonna, it's equal to the, what's called that? What do you call that? Opacity. Opacity increases and the ghost effect is decreases. Ghost effect, if we set the ghost effect to 100, then that will disappear. But it's not hidden, as you can see. It's not hidden, but the opacity is very low, 0, I think. If we set to 25, then it's gonna be like this. It's not that hard. So set ghost effect to 100. That's gonna affect that. Now I'm gonna change the mosaic effect by 25. Now this clear graphic effects is gonna undo all of the graphical effects that we have added to it. If you press this, it's gonna undo it. Yeah. These two blocks are gonna show and hide. That's easy. Now this block is gonna go front or back layer. So I don't have another. So if it is front layer, that this sprite is gonna be in the no, this sprite is gonna be in the front than other sprites. So yeah, that's what go to front. Go forward one layer is another thing. It's just gonna make it go above another layer or below another layer. So these three blocks are just input blocks: costume number or name, backdrop number or name, and size. Those are just input blocks. So you might need to practice a little bit more of these. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. I will be uploading more often because we have school holidays. I don't think I'll upload in the next 2 weeks because I have school. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.